Hello everybody, welcome to Hard Reset Pro. Today I'm going to show you how to use an AI, for example Google Lens and ChatGPT. So basically there are two options how to use in ChatGPT, and the first one is using a ChatGPT web. So to access a ChatGPT web, open up your Google or any other browser you are using, and in search type in a ChatGPT. Go on the website right here, and here you can ask literally anything you want. So for example, math questions, so something like this, and it will give you an answer. You can log in and then add photos and stuff like that. And as we are in Google right now, I'll show you how to use an Google Lens. So for example, click this button right here near the search, the right button with the camera, and it will now access your camera and, for example, take a picture of something. As you can see now, it will find it in the internet. The device shown in the image is a Elgato Stream Deck Neo, an 8-key controller used to automate tasks and manage applications. You'll have websites where you can buy this item, basically. Exact matches, AI mode, products, and all the stuff like that, basically. And the second option how to use a ChatGPT is by using an app. So first up, go to Play Store and make sure you have downloaded the app. So go to search ChatGPT, and here install this app right here with this icon with a 4.7 stars review, and then open it up, and basically you can ask whatever you want and it will give you an answer, if it's possible, of course. So basically that's it. That's how you use an AI on Google Pixel 8. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.